Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to drill a terracotta pot without a driller. I don't have the driller in first place, which is why I had to look for the alternatives, making sure that I don't break the pot. So in this video I happen to use a screwdriver tool set that I bought from Amazon. You could easily do it with any type of chisel shaped tool. It could be anything. To hammer the screwdriver, you could use pliers, or in my case I used a spanner. By now you could have guessed, this is my wife drilling the pot right now. She was way more slower, so I had to stop the video, and then I had to drill the holes. After a couple of punches, my wife was interested, so she took over. And here is the final result.